We are live from White House here in Bengaluru. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Super Boxing Series. First up, fighting out of the blue corner from the Philippines, Norberto Tano!
And there he is, walking up. Bathed in black and gold.
From Mizoram, India, Zoramchhana!
Now entering the arena is Zoramchhana. Stands orthodox from Ceylon, India. 10 bouts, 7 wins, 3 losses.
And our sponsors for this event is Arambam, Cult, Fitter, Muscle Blaze, Snipper Boxing Promotion, USI, and Yo-Yo Fresh Team Bar.
Fighters are types here.
Yeah.
Norberto, strong, stocky, thick boxer.
Yeah, Norberto
And
comes with a lot of experience actually.
Zoramchhana, lanky.
Zoramchhana, they also called as Paharis, and these guys will dominate whichever field they get into. But I'm super excited to watch these fights. Philippines versus India. Too personal for me too. Everybody watching across.
Round one.
And the fight is on.
They're completely
Judging
ripped.
our
They're completely
distance.
ripped.
Zoramchhana is,
Yeah.
physically he looks completely ripped. Sitting down here. Zoramchhana with a deep stance, sitting down into his punches. Norberto, more mobile, stepping.
He's looking forward to connect.
More of a rhythm from Norberto.
Looking forward.
Feeling out the distance here.
Norberto is in control in the first round itself.
Norberto using the rhythm more,
Yeah.
moving forward and backward.
Oh! That was amazing. These guys are
Zoramchhana.
quick. And watch out for this. The much awaited fights for this night.
That
We have 4 more
landed flush.
fights. It's going to be
Landed
amazing.
through the guard, in fact. Zoramchhana using his superior reach to sit and snipe with his jabs and crosses.
Yep.
Norberto having to be more mobile to work his way around because
Yeah,
he needs to
yeah.
get inside that reach.
He will shortly. And that's it. Referee calls him to the corner. Yeah, please take away the water bottle and Vaseline. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a fight between Philippines and India. In the blue corner, we have Norberto Tano, and on the red corner, we have Zoramchhana. No headshot. Sure, they're trying to bring in their best in this round. Oh, that connect was too good.
Zoramchhana beginning to add in a little bit of footwork here. Earlier he was just sitting deep and shooting.
Yeah. Oh! That was good. That body shot and the connect was awesome.
He's still sitting down deep.
He's trying to get his
deep
combination.
stance, but now he's moving a little bit more.
Yeah.
And that poses problems to Norberto. Norberto has to create angles here. If they keep this fight in one dimension, forward and backward,
Yeah.
it does minimize Norberto's chances.
That's the end of first round. Did he punch him after the bell?
A hint of sportsmanship there.
Yeah.
Both acknowledge. I think the heads bumped against each other at the end.
I get it. I get it. You see the corner man there.
End of round one.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are live on SportWatch. Please download the application on the Play Store. If not, you can just type in SportWatch and you can watch us live on this channel. Thank you so much. You're watching Super Fighter Series.
Zoramchhana has started the fight on a good note. I
Yep.
think he had a good first round.
Seconds, clear the ring.
Has to add angles this year. If he keeps
Again.
this as a forward and backward match, the superior reach of Zoramchhana is probably
Round two.
away from him.
Again, go back to the same question, asking you that somebody from other country, they come here, it takes a lot of time for them to adjust to this arena. And somebody from India, it's their home ground. It's going to be easy for them because the crowd is all for them. How do they receive this?
I think that's where the athletes like to challenge themselves that way, right? It's always, you know, you may be fighting in your hometown and with the crowd on your back. What is it like when the crowd is against you,
Yes, absolutely.
right? That adds to the elements
Yeah,
that you have
yeah.
to address.
I see that. I see that.
Zoramchhana definitely bringing to pile up the volume on top
Is
of
going. This is again a 6th round fight.
Zoramchhana having a lot of pop in his punches now.
Yeah.
That's coming from that deep stance he can afford because of his.
Zoramchhana is focused and he really wants to take him down now. I think this
Norberto-
requires concentration, Renji.
Norberto definitely
Yeah.
focused as well. But he has to create angles here.
Norberto is
Simply
quick.
not reaching
Whoa!
without being able to.
And that got connected at the right time. We're in the round 2 and this is very crucial for them.
Norberto has to get a handle. A
He
path
needs to come
victory
back with
here.
his response now. But
Zoramchhana is running away with this match
Yeah,
at this stage. Norberto is playing the game that Zoramchhana wants him to
Absolutely.
play.
Yeah.
And he has to come out of that. Evading that punch very well. Wonderful head movement. from
Zoramchhana is
Norberto.
good. Ladies and gentlemen, you're watching Super Fighter Series happening in Bengaluru for the first time.
Norberto absorbing the punch in his guard.
Yeah. I see that combination shots are too good. He's landing it so well.
It's interesting to note Norberto's guard. He alternates keeping his left hand up and his right
And
hand
right
up.
hand down, yeah.
He's switching his guard side to side,
Yeah.
hoping to help that'll create
Whoa,
an angle.
whoa!
Now he's getting better with his head movement. He's using his head movement to avoid
Yep,
Zoramchhana's
yep.
strikes.
Was that a call from Filipino?
I think Norberto's side, his corner, had a request on the ref.
No, was it a call from him to stop? He asked the referee to stop it.
No, no.
Was
I
it
think
deliberate?
he was just
If you look at the
noticing that
replay, if you
Tano-
look at the replay there, look at that. He's asking him to stop.
No, this is
Yeah.
earlier in the round.
Yeah. Only in this round. Look at that. Look at that.
No, no, no. It was still much later that that incident happened.
Seconds, clear the ring.
What's your prediction? How many rounds?
Round
It looks like
Three.
the fight will go the distance. I don't think either of them is looking for a finish here. They
Yeah,
are
only finish.
They're still point. I mean, it's very much a point-based game here.
Yeah.
Very technical,
Yeah.
sport-like.
Yeah. But as far as I know, I'm sure Zoramchhana will take him until the 6th rounds. For sure, he will take him. Hey!
Norberto is pushing up the pace now.
Yeah.
Norberto now sitting back. He's trying to time the attack of Zoramchhana. He wants Zoramchhana
Yeah.
to make the first attack, be able to dodge. Oh!
We need to play. We need to play for the referees.
We have to look
Call.
for the refs.
We
pushing
cannot
there.
do that. But anyways, these are professional boxers. They know what exactly they are doing. Absolutely fine. He's under control. We have the medical team. Is there a minus point for him for that? Not sure about it.
Not sure what the rules say here.
Yeah. So the doctors are here.
The doctor checking for concussion.
Yep.
Signs of concussion.
Absolutely. The sponsors for this fight night, So Fighter Series is Arambam, Cult, Fitter, Muscle Blaze, Snipper Boxing Promotions, USI, Yo-Yo Fresh T-Bar.
Meanwhile, the match has been restarted. Zoramchhana
Yeah.
being the aggressor here. More
Whoa!
active, confident.
We're in the third round. We're getting intense.
Norberto is playing at an angle where he's almost turned away from Zoramchhana.
Yeah.
That's what
Don't you see
is
he's-
allowing his slip
Absolutely.
to evade Zoramchhana's reach.
Maybe he's working that for his advantage, but I don't know what's his game plan. But if you look at it, he's playing sideways. That's giving a lot of opportunity for his opponent throw his punches.
The difference in reach is so high that
Yeah.
for him to be able to slip past Zoramchhana's punches, he's having to turn almost to his
Absolutely.
side.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that the slip actually goes
He
out of
gets
range.
the angle. Yep.
But of course, that gives further openings. So, and this is probably why Zoramchhana is turning on the aggression here.
Yes. 10 seconds left for the round 3. Ladies and gentlemen, our broadcasting partner is Sport What, and we are live on Sport What. You're watching Super Fighter Series happening for the first time in India and in Namma Bengaluru. We're moving towards 4th round. Lots more happening action on the TV. If you're watching, there's a replay happening. We'll look at it. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. Renji, he fell off the stage, but the punch landed still on his face.
Seconds, clear the ring. Round 4.
Zoramchhana, Norberto, Tano, touch gloves. The action is on.
This is what championship level boxing is called. Both the fighters living up to their dreams.
Round 4.
Yeah. Round 4. 2 more rounds. Oh! That connect was good.
Round 4 of potential.
Fell on his
6 rounds.
face. Ladies and gentlemen, you're watching.
Norberto is beginning to touch.
You're watching this
Zoramchhana with
boxing
his
fight between India and
jab
Philippines.
now.
Philippines, and we are in the 4th round.
Norberto has now started moving side to side. This could be a key to victory for him because that to an extent negates the reach advantage that Norberto has.
If you look at him, he is not staying in one place. He's moving around. He's moving around the stage, and which is making it difficult for Zoramchhana. Oh! No.
Norberto complaining to a strike to the back of the head.
Yeah.
Referee lets the match continue.
Yeah.
Zoramchhana is completely
I see a lot of pressure on Norberto, Tano. But on the other side, Zoramchhana is just listening to his.
Norberto completely changing his strategy now.
Yeah, he is.
I think he's had enough of the pace that's been set here.
Now he's learned
He's
it.
now going to push for the finish.
Now, in the last 4 rounds, he's learned it. What's his technique now? He needs to put that forward.
There's a change in strategy here. I expect Norberto to
Oh!
start exploding at this point because he has to cross that range where
He needs to. He needs to. But I see both the fighters aggressive in this 4th round.
oh, that hook landed.
Yeah, yeah. The pace is
Not
picking
clean
up.
enough though.
Absolute. It's picking up, and they're not in a position to give up.
Norberto
seconds
rolling with the
left.
punches.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, that's it. The 2 or 3 punches that landed
And
flush
one more
there.
second left for the 5th round. Ladies and gentlemen, you're watching Super Fighter Series. It's a fight between India versus Philippines. And we're moving towards 5th round. Coming up next after this is another fantastic fight line. We have it is between Ritesh Singh, the face of Bangalore, and also we have Lal Rohit Longa, the fight between Karnataka and Mizoram. It's going to be amazing. Ritesh.
Time to thank our sponsors once more. Sponsors of this program are Arambam, Cult, Fitter, Master Blaze,
Seconds, clear the ring.
Motion, USI, and Yo-Yo Friend P-Bar.
And our broadcasting
Round 5.
what?
And we start round 5.
This is a round 5, ladies and gentlemen. And a very crucial round for both of them is India versus Pakistan.
Norberto has to find a path to victory here. Looks like he's looking to absorb some punishment and create openings there.
Yeah. After a break, Norberto comes back and he's super excited.
There's a
launch.
spring in his step.
Yeah,
step.
yeah,
There's a
yeah.
noticeable spring in the step. Looks like he has a
Absolutely,
plan.
it's because of the corner man who gives him advice how he has to play, how he has to put his punches and footwork in the front. Let's see. Oh. Good fight.
There's a lot of to and fro banter between these two boxers at this
Yeah,
point.
yeah.
But it's more or less more of the same. They've left that one-to-one front and back
Yes.
to and fro game behind. There's a lot of circling happening now,
Yeah.
and in that circling, Norberto is trying to cut the distance,
Yep.
and Zoramchhana is looking to snipe. So the moment he sees the range close in,
Zoramchhana is going for his deadly combinations.
Going for big
He's
guns,
not
yes.
even looking back. He's
He's
just looking for
absolutely
the opportunity. And
shooting.
he's going. Yeah. Yeah. That's it.
Couple
That's
more
it.
shots land flush. I would assume at this stage that
Yeah.
Norberto has only one way to finish this or to win
Absolutely.
this match. He
Yeah.
absolutely has to go for a knockout.
Knockout. Yeah. Yeah. I know
At
what
my
you mean.
count?
I know what you mean because seconds. He's the deliberate moving with the body.
Norberto is trying to avoid punishment here now.
Norberto is a little tired, a little exhausted kind.
I feel he's a little more than a little tired.
Yeah. And he's buying time. He just
He's-
wants to
he's
rest in his
actually
corner.
buying time. He wants to get a few
Yeah.
deep breaths in.
Yeah. It's not head.
Seconds out!
One last round out of their boxers.
Absolutely.
They're motivating them, talking
Yeah.
technique, doing a bunch of things. They just
Absolutely.
need their boxers to deliver.
They need to. This is
one
the
last
decisive
Round six.
round. Ladies and gentlemen,
Zoramchhana, Norberto, touch gloves for one final time.
yeah, ladies and gentlemen, the promoters for this Super Fighter series is Payam Honari, the founder of Crowd Boxing Promotions, Kamal, founder of Grassroots Boxing Promotions, Rani Kamal, co-founder of Grassroots Boxing Promotions. Thank you, a big thank you to them for putting up such a big show in India, the biggest and the largest of boxing in India. Thank you. If you're watching, you want to say something, put it on the comment. Your favorite fighter so far. What's the best thing you've witnessed?
The to and fro continues. Norberto looking to point out this round. Landing a hook. Oh! Zoramchhana lands two back. onto the guard. Did not quite land that one. The Filipino fight.
Believe that they stood 6 rounds and 1 more minute left to decide who the winner is going to be. And ladies and gentlemen, we are up with 9 fights. Oh! He's going. He's trying his level best to kick him off.
These two gentlemen are drenched in sweat, bathed in sweat.
He slips, he's sweating, his belly slips. And
The
can
punches
cut
are
you.
landing into the guard now.
Sweating, he's not able to land the punch properly, it can cut your face.
What's really impressed me is how Zoramchhana has kept up that low stance throughout the entire 6 rounds. He's been sitting deep, hitting hard, consistently for 18 minutes now.
Absolutely. Oh! 9 seconds, just 19 seconds left to decide who the winner is. This is India versus Philippines. We have Norberto, Tano and Zoramchhana.
I believe Zoramchhana got that one. I wouldn't want to outguess the judges, but it looks like Zoramchhana got that one.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 6 rounds, we go to the judges' scorecards. All 3 judges scored about 60-50. For your winner by unanimous decision, Zoramchhana!
I guessed it. He was dominating from the beginning, being consistent in all the rounds is not possible. And it's only possible by Zoramchhana.